A very good afternoon to all. Um, it's been immense pleasure to be here, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Mandela. I work as a consultant in Continental Hospital, Hyderabad. So I would like to start from the time when I finished my post graduation. Soon after, I did from Osmania, which is like very prominent this thing government hospital. So when I came out of PG, I am very much sure that I can handle uh, all kind of obstacle. I was pretty sure that obstacle I will not have any problem because the number of cases that we see gives us confidence about dealing all obstetric emergencies. But when it comes to gynec, to be really honest, I never had any confidence. Okay, I can do comfortably open abdominal hysterectomy is fine. That is okay. Maybe with some assistance I could do. I thought, but after joining as registrar in the current hospital where I'm working, that is Continental, I started to realize that laparoscopy plays, that is minimal access surgery plays a vital role in your survival as a gynecologist if you want to survive in cities or maybe even in towns, because that has become a way out for any kind of gynecological operative procedures, because more and more patients opting for minimal access surgeries, and also surgeons doing it in on daily basis. So I assisted hundreds of laparoscopy surgery without even knowing the basics. Imagine, I don't know ABCD of it, still I held camera. I thought, yeah, I know very good laparoscopy until I came to Samasti that I used to think, okay, I'm good surgeon, laparoscopic surgeon. So what made me actually do FMAS when I was actually thinking this way? So 1 year back, I became consultant, from registrar to consultant. That's when things really went 360 degrees, changed. Things changed a lot for me, because where I have to perform. I mean, yes, with assistance, but when I have to perform surgeries on my name, there were two things. That is, first of all, there were obstacles to give me to permit me to do laparoscopy surgery without getting trained. Is definitely not the right thing to do for any management. So yeah, that was a major issue. I was doing all open surgeries, but laparoscopy, yes, with seniors' help. So when I was seeing them doing, I could learn a thing or two. I could do diagnostics. I could do hysteroscopy, and maybe tubal ligation I was able to do. But when it comes to doing complex surgeries like TLH and myomectomies and all, definitely I had no confidence, zero confidence, zero knowledge. That's when I decided, no, now is the time to move on in life, do something better. I just can't stay there where I am. So then this is all of a sudden. I recently finished a fellowship in infertility, which is definitely not my point of interest, but for the sake of doing it, I did. Then idea came upon me, when I'm not interested, I have finished it, which I am very much interested in minimal access surgery. Why should I delay it? So overnight I took a decision. I was Googling all the night, what should I do, where should I go? I had so many options, and coincidentally, at the same time, my friends who were colleagues at a different hospital where I was working, they all chose to come to Delhi at the same time, because this training happens first 2 weeks. So they chose to come, and they chose a different place, whereas I chose Samasti, mainly for two reasons. To be honest, I really don't have any idea. At least Wall Lab, I know a lot of reviews and all that. But this, I never had any idea. But two things that made me choose this is, first is number of intake is just 10, which I thought is really good. When the number is less, then I think your scope of learning is more, is what I thought. That was my thinking. with nothing in background and no other expectations. Second thing, this might sound funny, but funny or this thing, but on the website you see prominently Chauhan sir's face, which is so pleasant, calm, and very, it gives you that feeling, okay, yes, you can learn something from him. That's the second major reason, which is undeniably true. And coming after reaching here, my training began on the day one. And Dr. Chauhan, whatever I say about regarding him will be less. I learned not just laparoscopy, sir, but there are many things. I need to be more patient in speaking to people or in doing things. That calmness which you possess, I think we all should learn, especially as surgeons, that calmness we need amidst storm. So he never loses his cool. He's always patient with us. Even when you are doing blunder mistakes or hands-on, he is very patient. And I know how it is over a period of time after teaching for so many years. As a teacher, it gets kind of boring to teach the same things again and again. But sir has taught us like he is teaching for the first time, everything from the beginning. Like even the minute details, they just go into your brain and get imprinted there. This is the least I could say, sir. Though I want to say much more. And the team, the surgical team, whoever I got to see the cases, the OT. The best thing about Samasti is you learn the theory part, and again you see the same thing getting done in the OT. There is no disparity between what is being taught and what is being done. That is the best thing, because what you do is ultimately matters a lot. So whatever that might be, even usage of the equipment or performing the surgery, everything is just by books. Whatever sir teaches, this team does there. And I got a wonderful opportunity to see great surgeons like Dr. Alka ma'am, Dhingra sir, and Subodh sir performing surgeries. It's a treat to watch them. Especially the endometriosis one yesterday, it was really, I didn't blink my eye even for a second. It was such a great experience. Even after getting to know what are the complications that you can encounter while performing a laparoscopy, you are more vigilant, watchful about what can go wrong. So in that perspective, my perspective has changed to 360 degrees after getting trained. So that is, on not just learning, I must say lot of unlearning has happened. I had to unlearn many things that I learned in a wrong way. So I am very, very thankful to Samasti for that thing. And I'm very happy with the stay, the kind of treatment I got. I'm thankful to Santoshi. She was there all the time. The OT staff, Shiv, Richa, everyone, is very cordial, very pleasant, and there's I seriously I forgot your name, Pradeep, right? Yeah, thank you also. The food is really good. Everything is good about Samasti. I think going forward, I wish you all the best to improve. I mean, that you will get lot students who can benefit just like how we did. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.